Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this in 2025 and you're hitting that frustrating PayPal error saying your account access is temporarily limited, you're not alone. This issue often pops up due to suspicious activity, security checks, or even simple verification needs. Don't panic. In this video, I'll walk you through straightforward steps to get your account up and running again. Let's dive right in. First things first, understand why this is happening. PayPal might flag your account for reasons like unusual login locations, failed security questions, or potential fraud attempts. It's their way of protecting you, but it can be a real headache when you need to make a payment or check your balance. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account using a secure device and your usual credentials. If you can get in, look for any notifications or messages from PayPal explaining the issue. Often, they'll guide you on what to do next, like verifying your identity. Step 2. If prompted, complete the identity verification process. This usually involves uploading ID documents, confirming your phone number, or answering security questions. Make sure all your information is up to date. Double-check your email, address, and phone details in your account settings. Next, review your account activity. Go to the Activity tab and look for any unauthorized transactions. If you spot something fishy, report it immediately to secure your account. Step 4. If the error persists, contact PayPal support directly. Head to the Help Center on their website, or use the chat feature if available. Be prepared with details like when the error started and any recent changes to your account. They're usually quick to respond and can lift the limitation once they're satisfied. Finally, if it's a temporary hold, you might just need to wait 24 to 48 hours. Use this time to strengthen your account security, enable two-factor authentication, and use strong, unique passwords. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should resolve the account access is temporarily limited error in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.